Welcome to Dissemity, an intelligent tutoring system to support you during your research writing process. In this tutorial, I will show you how to register for an account and then look at your dashboard in the Dissemity modules. First, go to Login. If your institution has a license agreement, you will find your login here. Once you have accepted the EULA, you will be prompted to enter your name. You will also be asked to select up to 3 disciplines. Choosing disciplines here will enable Dissemity to provide you with discipline-specific feedback. At this point, you will see a video tutorial that will bring you through the 5 modules that Dissemity has to bring you through the scientific writing process. These modules are found on the left-hand menu. They are Discover, Learn, Analyze, Explore, and Write. You can always come back to this top area to explore the last place where you left off. If you are using Dissemity for a class, you may be prompted here to join a class by using a class code. The class code will be given to you by your instructor or workshop facilitator. Also in the dashboard, you will notice your progress bars. These progress bars are here to help you to understand what tasks are to be completed in order to go through the entire scientific manuscript and learn how to dissect a research article en route to writing a research paper of your own. You can hover over the info circles to understand what the task is, and then you can go to the menu to go to those tasks. Once you've completed the task, your bars will turn dark blue. If they are partway completed, they will be more of a royal blue. And then if you haven't started at all, they will be this light blue. When you are completely done, your circles will turn green. This dashboard may look different depending on what class or workshop you are doing. If you enter Dissemity for the first time, you will be prompted to start the manuscript writing standard coursework. Once you have gone through all of these modules, we encourage you to use them iteratively, depending on the needs that you have during your writing process. Next, we encourage you to watch the Discover module tutorial to understand how to discover language use patterns and structure in model articles of your field.